Welcome to the BridgeWorks tutorial on format string expressions. In this video, we are going to cover a few examples of using format strings inside the expression editor. If you are unfamiliar with format strings, I recommend checking out our articles and videos, which will be in the description. To get started, create or edit a view and then run it. Once you have successfully ran your view, click on the Finished Reports designer. Now that we are in the designer, I want to preview the report that I had already created. If we look at the three columns in the report, we can see that they need formatted. So I'm going to go back to the designer and select the labels that I want to format, and then select the expression editor. Once inside, I'm going to use the format string function. The format string function consists of two arguments, the format and the string or field. For the first expression, I'm going to be formatting the order date to get rid of the timestamp on the today function. Next, I'm going to format the unit price using a currency format. Last, I'm going to format the discount percent using a percent format. Now that all the columns have been formatted, I'm going to preview the results. My order date no longer has a timestamp. My unit price now indicates that it is a currency, and the discount percent is shown as a percent. For additional information on VDM, check the links in the description. If you would like to download this sample view saved with data, it will be available on our website's documentation. This will give you the ability to use the view in the video as a test.